We're now on step 8 of our home addition project, installing the HVAC system. This step comes right after the framing inspection and sets the foundation for comfortable airflow throughout the home. Step 8, HVAC installation. In this phase, once the framing inspection has passed, the first step is installing the HVAC system. The ductwork is placed before plumbing and electrical, ensuring everything is routed correctly without conflicts. And that wraps up step 8, HVAC installation. With the ductwork in place, we're ready to move on to plumbing and electrical rough-ins. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss step 9 in our home addition series.